Okay, we're in the Formula Vee. I've not driven this for an age, so this could be interesting. I can't say the name of the race circuit, Ockensbein or Ockensben or something. We qualified in 5th. This is probably going to be carnage. I'll see you when the lights go green.
Race starts in 10 seconds. The track temp is 69 Fahrenheit. The air temp is 66. The field strength is 1100 P5. Standing start now. Okay, Stephen, get ready. Go, go, go. Car left. Clear left. Left side. Clear left. There's an incident in hotel. It looks like it's Adrian. Start's alright. Time to get stuck in. There's an incident in turn 5. It looks like Diaz. Incident in Shell S. It looks like it's Sanchez. You've got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes to go. P3. Clear left. Incident in Casa Roda. We think it might be Carlos. Clear left. Car right. Hold your clear right. There's an incident in turn 5. It looks like Carlos. There's an incident in Shell S. It looks like it's Diaz. The leader's just done a 147.4. The guy ahead has just done a 147.2. That last lap was a 149.0. Red and yellow flag for debris. Okay. Right side, there's an turn 5. We think it might be Bale. Right side's clear. P2. Car left. Clear left. Yellow flag. There's an incident in Saxon-Anhalt curve. It looks like Adrian. P4. That's a new fastest lap for Carlos. 1:45.4. On your left. Clear left. Okay, Stephen, there'll be chances here. Let's make sure we can take them. 5 minutes to go, 5 minutes left. Half distance, fuel looks good. Push now, the guy behind is catching. Incident in triple. We think it might be Diaz. The gap to Carlos ahead is increasing. It's now 3.0. That lap was a 147.8. That's 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Red yellow flag. Watch for debris on the track. There's an incident in turn 5. It looks like it's Adrian. Car left. Hold your line. Clear left. You've got 1 gallon left. Car left. Still there. Clear left. Last lap. Bring it on home. Come on, Stephen. P3. There's an incident in turn 1. It looks like Diaz.
No.
Right, sir. Clear right.
You dickhead!
Incident in Hasaroda. It looks like Diaz. Car left. Clear left. Car right. Clear right. On your left. Still there. Clear left. Sanchez took the win. Good work, mate. Keep it up. Incident in Saxon Anhalt curve. We think it might be Adrian. New fastest lap for Carlos. 145.2. P4. Well done, mate. That's the finish. Good result.
Okay, time to take a look at the carnage. Off we go. Yeah, that happens a lot with these. If you change down gear too early, they lock the back diff and off you go. Especially don't do it in a corner. Bit of net cod, although he would have hit anyway. Ooh, well dodged. He seems to be having a lot of fun all by himself. You can always do well in these Formula V races just by keeping out of trouble, because everybody likes to throw it off. That was bad. That was really, really bad. That's not paying attention. How not to take that corner. I got taken out. I thought I did. And that's it. Not as much as there usually is on these things. Okay, let's look at the results. So we got 7 splits, and for once we're not in the bottom split. We're in the next to bottom split, but it's a step in the right direction. So, strength of field 1053. We lost 0.03 safety rating, tiny amount. But yeah, hey-oh, it's Formula V. But we did gain some iRacing at last. So let's have a look at the results. We've got Anthony Sanchez in first, Carlos Bejo in second, and Adrian Costas in third. We managed to finish in fourth. We started in fifth. That's not bad going. Car number 7, 4 incident points. That was a bit harsh. Where are we? Fastest lap on 47. We were 2.5 seconds slower than the fastest lap. Not bad. We haven't driven these for a long, long time. Who was the biggest winner? Well, as everybody else was rookies, we were the biggest winners with plus 40. And the biggest loser was Mario Sequeira with minus 82. I don't really think that counts since everybody else was rookies, but never mind. So there you go, spell out in a Formula V. These things are always fun, but you've got to try and stay out of trouble. It only takes one person to wreck your race, and they do tend to throw themselves off a lot, but never mind. So there you go, that's the video for today. If you like what you see, please like, please subscribe. We want to get our subscribers up as much as we can, and it helps us, and it's free. If you want us to do a particular type of racing you would like to see, or a particular game, let us know in the comments. We will do our best to make that happen. In the meantime, if you all stay safe and have fun, and we will see you in the next video.